In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we weigh anchor at Elizabeth Harbour and finally set sail for the remote and breathtaking Conception Island. Along the way, Dave discovers damage to our port trampoline, but with the Spinnaker flying and the ribs slow cooking in the galley, we settle into one of those rare, peaceful passages. And just when the day couldn't get any better, we see whales for the very first time.
If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel.
Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to Conception. Anyway, I hope that we have a very calm sail. I'm going to make my slow cooked ribs, and I'm so looking forward to this sail. You have no idea. We've been here at Georgetown for a little bit too long, and I get a little antsy, and so does Dave, but it's time to go. So, what are we doing today, Captain
Nothing,
Dave?
I didn't do anything.
Come on, what's going on, man?
Tell me. Into a 5-knot headwind, 3 of which are being created by us. There's no wind.
But where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? I asked you 3 times.
We're attempting to go to Conception Island. It looks like it's going to be a good couple of days.
We're going to Conception! We're going to Conception!
And hopefully when we get out of here around the corner, we're going to put the Spinnaker up and see if we can sail it.
Yeah. And why is that? Tell us about the winds. Tell us what's going on.
I just did.
No.
There is
what's going to be happening
5 knots of wind.
Yeah, but from what direction? Come on, man.
The wind's going to be out of the west, and we're going west. Or out of the... What? It's a west wind and we're going west.
There you go.
So
drink your coffee.
I finished my coffee. Need more coffee.
I'm gonna make more coffee.
Yeah, it's a west wind and we're heading west to Conception. So hopefully we can Spinnaker sail this sucker.
That'd be great. And what are we not gonna do? We're not gonna tear our sail this time, right?
There's no guarantee of that.
Right.
There's no guarantee of that.
I swear to you, this morning I saw a mosquito that flew by that was the size of a chihuahua. It was barking on the way by. The mosquitoes get awfully big around here. But yeah, oh, we got a freighter behind us.
A freighter in front of us.
It's a freighter-y day.
It's a freighter-y day.
And of course, there's the monument. And there's a freighter. Dave is correct. Will wonders never cease. Bye, everyone. We will be back. We will be back. And why are we going to be back?
Because we have to come back.
Why?
It's Georgetown and it's like a magnet for cruisers. No, we're coming back to visit friends.
And? Renewal.
Oh yeah, we got to renew our stay.
We have to renew our stay. Yes, we do. So we're off like a herd of turtles. The moon's still up. Come on. Gotta go and shut off the windlass. That's just kind of one of the things I do. Did I tie it? Oh my gosh. I didn't tie off the anchor. Oh, I'm slipping. See, we've been here too long.
Yes.
That's when you're in a place for too long, the normal routine of picking up and leaving, it just kind of disappears. So I gotta go and tie up the anchor and I gotta go turn off the windlass. And click. What else we got going on here? Oh, we don't need the water on anymore. I always turn off stuff that doesn't need to be on. Oh, we need the VHF, babe. So the only other things that never go off are these 2 right here. So we are cruising with the new batteries. Even though that looks low, it's still 13 volts. So we're doing 13, we have 13 volts on our batteries. We are good to go. I'm gonna go and tie up the anchor so we don't lose it some stupid way. I don't know what I was thinking.
You weren't. You also didn't pick up this bridle.
I will. And then again, you line. going nowhere. Final. This side.
I already did the other one.
Did you? That's I got just a few jobs on this boat. All I do, don't take my job from me.
Your job is to be blonde on the bow. Running away now.
How beautiful is that? Sunrise and we're heading to Conception.
That's some conception.
I can't freaking wait. It's gonna be so much fun. I get all squeaky when I'm excited. That's interesting. Is he in the way? Okay.
Because it's an orange field, everybody can't go over here.
Oh. What broke? Where?
The lace.
Oh shit. All right. Did that just happen now?
I just noticed it now.
Man, oh man. Okay.
You got 25 miles before we're at risk of hitting something, so you should be okay.
Yeah, should be. We also have some people that are following us.
Not even a breeze.
I know. Well, it said it's going to pick up. I don't know. Do you not want to do that?
Yeah, I want to have it ready if it does pick up.
We got big, long rollers about 9 seconds apart. So it's pretty easy out here right now. So as you guys can see, he's running the lines for the Spinnaker right now. And it's been a while for him, so it's not like it's gonna come together just like that. How long has it been since we flew it last?
About a month, 2 months.
2 months? I think it's been about 2 months. Around the outside, around the outside. Woo! I feel the wind starting to pick up behind me. Sailing. It's all waiting for that wind. You know what my favorite thing is about this? Not a cloud in the sky. Nothing spooky coming at us. Isn't that awesome? Hang on, hang on. Knock on wood. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control. And I think Dave likes it. What's that line do?
Track.
Ah, okay. Rigging the Spinnaker is a little bit of a mystery to me. So while he's doing that, we have to go back and check, make sure we're still on course. The autopilot's being a little bit of a bitchy kitty. She's not tracking properly, and Captain Dave has a big issue with that. So let's go over here and see what's going on. Yeah, now she's like back that way. So now, see how it's gone off that way a little bit? See, it's that little blue means that it's going off. It's going off that way a little bit. So I'm gonna pull her back this way by going over here to the autopilot and going bloop, 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 like that, and correcting her course so that we're back on course, because she's just being a bitch. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll shut her down right now, and hopefully when we come back, we'll have the Spinnaker up. So, as I promised, she's up, she's flying, but, what's happening, Captain Dave?
There is no wind. Turns out when there's no wind, you can't sail.
Light wind sail, but the winds are way too light, but she's still filling and we're still moving forward. But we're only doing between 1.7 and 2.2 knots right now, which means that we get into conception around
3 o'clock in the morning.
And you know what?
And the wind will have clocked around by then.
That doesn't work for us. So I don't know. This is going to be a little bit of patience for the wind to either kick up or he's going to bring it down. I don't know. That is up to my Captain Dave.
I'll give it a minute.
Let's give it a minute. Look!
We got whales.
Right there! Right there, buddy! Oh my God, we have whales. No freaking way, man. No way. Look it! No freaking way. Look, Dave. Look! Oh. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see this. Woo! Oh shit! No freaking way! That's whale plume. That's amazing. Oh my God. What do you think? What kind of whales do you think they are?
Underwater.
Ass. Oh my God. Look at that. Those are our first whales ever.
First whales. Did I?
Thank you. I'm like watching this plume of, like, what the fuck is that? So Dave, where were the whales?
About 6 miles offshore.
Yeah, we saw the plumes of it and that's why we had to record that. How cool is that? That's our first whales.
First whales.
Like, oh my God! Whale sign! I was sitting there talking with my son and I'm looking out while I'm talking to him, doing FaceTime, and I see this plume and that first thing in my head is that a whale? How cool is that? That is just banging cool. 6 miles out. Right, Captain Dave?
About that, yeah.
Yeah.
What are we doing underway today?
We're making slow cooked ribs
Nice.
so that when we get to Conception Island, we got ribs. So I've already poured barbecue sauce in there. So now we just do this. We take this, just squirt the ever living crap out of it, and then we caress it. Ribs. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing?
That's awesome.
Oh yeah. Best ribs ever.
It's great.
So painful to put the engines back on.
Baby, you give me
about half a mile from making the turn in through all the reefs. And so we're about 1.5 miles from dropping the hook. There's about 11 boats here right now, I think. And
Where
so
are we, Captain
we'll be
Dave?
number 12. We are at Conception Island.
Conception Island! Yay!
So we're gonna go explore mangroves down there. We're gonna go explore trails over here. And I'm thinking if we can find a way down to that rock, I might want to take a look at that.
Think we can do that?
Who knows? But anyway, we're going to be dropping the hook in here somewhere. I'd like to be up in this corner to get as much shelter as possible, but it looks pretty crowded there. So we might end up over here. But
Might.
it doesn't matter. The holding's all really good. It's just a matter of how much wind and swell we want to deal with. Made it! Time do we leave? Around 7?
Yes.
Here around 5. It's 10 hours. About a 10-hour day.
Yeah. So
It's all good.
it's all good.
It's all good.
All right.
I mean, it's 10 hours out here. How bad could it be?
So where are we now, Captain Dave?
Conception Island.
Conception Island. We made it back again. I cannot believe we made it back.
We're not even the last boat in.
Yeah, we made it in. We made
This
it
is the
here
last boat
again. And here's the last boat in.
Oh,
We
you
made
get
it back
which one's
again. Yeah, it's pretty tight anchorage. I think they're finding their spot. They draw pretty shallow.
So do we.
Yeah, we're real good.